Welcome to the Boundary at West End in Greenville, a student accommodation so posh that every day feels like a luxurious vacation at a great cost. Choose from fully furnished, stylish studios, en-suites, and 2-bedroom apartments with spacious walk-in closets, roomy cabinets, and an in-unit washer and dryer for hassle-free laundry. Kickstart your day in the fitness center or hit the Zumba studio. Then power through projects at the study cafe with lightning-fast, free Wi-Fi. Unlock unlimited fun by chilling with friends in the gaming room or the resort-style swimming pool on a hot summer day. Oh, and all your utilities are included in your rent, so you'll never have to worry about extra bills. East Carolina University and the University Center of Greenville are just moments away on foot for an easy commute. Catch a bus from Dickinson Avenue or the train at Wilson NC Station for seamless transit. So secure your spot at the Boundary at West End in Greenville via amberstudent.com today.